This video will show you how to install the emergency backup battery for the Sylvania Hi-PerformanceLED Downlight. This field installable emergency backup option is straightforward to install. Remove the downlight from the box. The driver and junction box is already attached to the downlight. The electrical connection between the driver and the downlight is accomplished via a quick disconnect. First, set the desired lumen level via the switch located on the side of the junction box. Unplug the quick disconnect. Remove the top cover of the junction box. Remove the jumper cables by pushing down the plunger with a small screwdriver while pulling on the wires. Remove the 5 knockouts on the junction box. Identify the Flex A and Flex B ends of the battery. The Flex A end connects to the line voltage inside the junction box. The Flex B end connects to the low voltage side of the junction box. Orient the junction box with a quick disconnect line coming out the left-hand side. The conduit for the Flex A side of the battery will be inserted through the lower right knockout hole. Slide the conduit into the junction box until the connector snaps into place. To verify the Flex A conduit is on the correct side of the junction box, look for the black 2-terminal and white 2-terminal spring connect blocks labeled L and N. Now slide the conduit for the Flex B side of the battery into the knockout hole to the left of the Flex A connection. On the battery, set the 2 dial switches to the desired current draw and lumen output to be used by the downlight during emergency mode. Different values of current and brightness will affect how long the battery will last. Slide the line power conduit into the side of the junction box containing the Flex A conduit. If you are using a 0 to 10 volt dimmer, slide the conduit with the purple and gray dimming wires into the knockout opening opposite the Flex B conduit. Through the knockout hole on the opposite side of the junction box from the quick disconnect wire, slide in the conduit for the backup test switch. Following the schematic, connect all the wires to the appropriate spring connect blocks or together via wire nuts as per the wiring diagrams. Replace the top cover of the junction box. Reconnect the quick disconnect and let the battery charge for 48 hours before emergency backup use.